the meaning of version control software. So the name itself on version control. So in your program, create a n number of versions only, like a version 1, 2, 3. So every project we have the versions will be there 1.0, 1.1, 2, 3. Okay. Now the latest version of Ubuntu, the 20.04, earlier 18.04. So the Linux Ubuntu have different versions are there. Debian 9, 10, Windows now 10 version, Android. So every software or every operating system have versions will be there. These versions we are controlling the one version to other version. For example, right now I'm working on particular version 2.0. I want suddenly go back to 1.1 version. So because 1.1 some implementation is there I want to jump it. So like whenever you want to go back any older version, you can easy to move, and a particular version within the seconds you can check out one version to other version, and you can get the code immediately, and you can test the functionality. So this is a very important the version control software for any project and anywhere everybody using now. But in the market, version control software are available two types: open source code one type, second is a commercial. In the open source point of view, GIT is a very good actually tool, and very popular one also. GIT. There is no full name actually. GIT is a the open source code version control tool. GIT, whatever the mechanism you can follow and what is the way that create the repository. So all the information we need some server. We want to create a repository and database. We need definitely one server required. The server hosting environment is a GitHub only. Hub. Yeah, you have some repositories are there. Okay, some kind of space available in the hub. So that is a public or private whatever. So in that space now you can able to generally like a is a simply like a hard disk like that space. That's where they provide some kind of some storage media. So but everything they understand the JIT environment on that GitHub. GitHub provided some space in the cloud server in the cloud. There we can copy your source code, and we can the source code maintain the version control using JIT only. Okay. For example, my project I want to start one project. I have some program in there. That program I can copy to the GitHub public server any moment, anytime I need it. So there is a public server, so I can download it and again modify, again push it. So in case my system is some trouble or something, but I'm always because my source code in the cloud server. And one more advantage, collaborate environment also. Multiple people work together also. So like many the benefits are available in the GitHub. Okay. So version control software keeps track of every modification to the code in a special kind of database. That is also called a repository. Okay, we have some database required. There we keep on monitoring the yesterday modification, day before yesterday modification, 1 month modification, 1 year back modification. Every modification we can keep on track. Okay, so that is a very interesting one. So that is one of the that keep on control the any version to version, anything is possible. So that's why we need a repository. Repository is required. Okay, that database required, and we can create a number of database, no limit. That depending on the space of the hard disk or availability. Okay, a number of database you can create now. So and one more advantage of version control the device. Whenever developer doing some mistakes, okay, maybe developing time, because previous program is working properly, my latest program is not working properly because of the modification. So whenever previous code is working properly, now current code is not working properly. Maybe at the time of the big fix the bug, sometimes the other problems are happening. So whenever previous code is working properly, now latest modification is affected, something is not working properly, nothing. But if you have requirement, go back to immediately previous code, because previous code something work, but you are not working. In case our embedded point of view, the previous version display driver is working properly. Latest version display is not working, touchscreen driver is working properly. So what happened? Tell me, that because of some touchscreen modification, display is not working. So like some dependencies there here. So that's why we want to go back and we can check the the differences clearly, version to version. This simply is called a gap analysis. So we can the gap is what is the difference between this to that version. Actually, you need to analyzing and try to fix the version. Okay. So in the industry, everyone doing the job. So it is mandatory because many versions are there. Make it you want to find out the differences is very important. It's a very helpful action. So this version control software is also called a SCM, and in the industry some other names also there. They're called source code management and also called RCS, revision control system. So the different names in the market, everyone pronounce different way also. So the roles and responsibility of this version control tool generally in the industry called build engineer, release engineer, like now one more other DevOps. Now we call DevOps actually DevOps. The DevOps engineer. The DevOps is a generally they maintain the servers and the repositories on DevOps people. But as a developer, DevOps is not required. The DevOps is only for maintenance activity only. So I told open source, the list of version control software in the market, open source tools, generally the three are very popular. So CVS is a very longer version, a very longer tool, old tool. Okay, later point of SVN is coming. So now everyone knows the CVS and SVN also most of the people are in the market. But GIT is a very popular after the GIT is releasing. So they are also one of the part in the open source tool. So this is GIT is a very popular nowadays and a free and open source tool. GIT is run the Linux also, Windows also, any platform, Mac OS, anywhere GIT is runs also. So now this Wikipedia we can go and find out a list of the many tools are available, but I'm telling about the three are very popular open source tool and commercial tools we are not discussing here. Some other commercial tools are also available in the market. Okay, fine. But every tool behavior is same only. Functionality should be same. We have experience on one tool, other tool is almost similar right now. It's not nothing much different actually. Okay, so GIT is actually developed by Linus Torvald, 2005. Linus Torvald, introducing the Linux operating system kernel long back. So the same author developing the GIT also in 2005. So the original author is the Linus Torvald, but nowadays multiple people are contributing and the community is there and many people are developing. But initially it started by the Linus Torvald. And GIT is what are the advantages compared to other type of the open source tools and other type of the source code version control tools. GIT provides a history of content changes. Okay, so every tool is same only, but here also, but here more information, history of content. Okay, for example, I think 1 month back or 1 year back. So last the version, the content I want to see immediately within the few seconds. Okay, so the GIT is given the right answer for you. So it's very useful. GIT facilitates collaborative change to files. These are the only purpose the GIT only, not other tools only. So the why the GIT is very popular here, but you can see collaborative. The meaning of collaborative. So developers in the graphical different locations now, but the source code should be the common location. The cloud is common location. So the developers are different area. So every developer once modify the code is going to the public server, the cloud server. There is a company internal server is going on. So the code is shared into other developer in the other country. So multiple developers in the multiple location, collaboratively, parallelly, they work on the same source code. So because this is a very interesting advantage and everyone expected this type of the future. Okay, so that's why GIT is a very popular the tool. Okay, so and GIT is a very the fast way. The behavior is very faster. The response coming, whatever the internal algorithm they are developing, the response is a very faster, quick response coming, and very modern algorithms are implemented internally. And if you are learning the GIT is a very easy only. Okay, is not a difficult. Today we are start learning GIT. The very simple and easy to can practice also GIT at one time. Okay, GIT we can install either Linux also, Windows also. In the Linux you want to install, you can run this command in the Linux, either Debian, either Ubuntu, or wherever you can run this command. So then GIT is a installation happening now. Okay, there is one simple command we can run in the Linux. Okay, so you can see the sudo apt install GIT. Whenever if you run this command, the Linux environment, already my system is installed already. Okay, they installed. Okay, GIT. The first command we can able to run. Okay, GIT. Next one, GIT configuration. So the meaning of configuration, you are going to tell about which is your name and email ID, because whenever your modification go into the public server, you want to tell about who the modification, the name important and contact email address also very important. Okay, so the two are essential. Your modification go into the public server. or the public repository. Maybe your modification within your local maybe not required. Within your local you are developing, because public is going on, the multiple people are there. You should know actually who the developer name and contact ID. That's why if you are modification in the public server, definitely you can go. These are the essential parameters only. So what is JIT configure thing? But so the thing simple, okay. So JIT the config hyphen global the user dot name, that your name is given here on. Okay, what is your name is it? The just you mention your name actually. Your full name is a mention. Okay. So and next one you are mention that your email ID also. Your one-time activity, everything one JIT install. So only for one-time activity you can do it now. Okay. So your mail ID.